Okay, so just film, yeah. So these are the settings. If I press that there, and we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then back. That's B2. Okay. Now then, I'll wait to go back. So this settings was reset to factory settings and then put onto the 0 start thing. So I'll turn it off and on again. On, and I'll put it onto 2. Now we can have a look at the bike when I'm pedaling. So here, pedaling in the second setting, doesn't do anything, doesn't turn on. Yeah. If I now go to the 3rd setting, that should at 6 kilometers an hour, when I've got this, it doesn't, if you see the accelerator, doesn't make any difference, completely dead the engine. Okay.